I need to talk to
Hey! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh no, ain't none of that. You know, Deb.
I need to talk to
No, I'm not doing that.
Hey! Oh my god, bro.
Put something in wrong or something.
What's wrong with you?
Alright, she's sitting on go. I'm not, I don't even have it.
Good morning! Oh my god!
So, when do you want to leave for Target, babe?
Oh my god! What did you do?
Keep blowing,
I'm
it's
sorry, I love you, I love
annoying.
you.
Oh